Hi, I'm Carla Rojas. I'm a coordinator for special programs.
My name is Kay Molit. I work as a manager in a diagnostic clinic.
Hi, I'm Iggy Padilla. Currently, I'm a full-time mom.
I'm Kate Mendoza, and I'm a businesswoman.
Ako si Jennifer Spiritu, isang government employee.
Being a mother is my world.
When I found out na girl, after 2 boys, sobrang saya namin dalawa. May prinsesa na kami.
Pag Saturday, nagbibideo okay kami. Mag-ingay lang kami kasi yung room namin, ginawa ng daddy niya soundproof. Wala nakakarinig sa ibang kapitbahay.
Pag during the weekends when we go running, sinasama namin siya. Although, hindi naman siya masyadong nakakalayo. Pero when he can, I would hold his hand, tapos tatakbo kami, malapit lang. Ganyan.
Do you love mommy? I love you, mommy. Oh, you kiss mommy. How much do you love mommy? 1,000. Ganon.
Sobrang independent yan. Siya lang ang gumagawa ng assignment niya. We do not have study time anymore. Sasabihan niya ako, Mommy, I have 2 mistakes. Sabi ko, oh, why 2 mistakes? Kasi you didn't teach me.
Kasi alam mo yun, nakaka-guilty na araw-araw nakikita mo yung mga anak mo. Ay, hahanapin si Yaya, imbis na ikaw.
Siyempre, yung anak mo, gusto niya ng time mo. Hindi mo ibigay. Feeling ko pagka nagkakasakit si Taya, nagiging pabaya ako. Kaya yun ang frustration ko eh. Yung hindi ko maibigay yung full time ko sa kanya.
Minsan talaga bigla ka na lang magbo-burst na parang, can you give me like 5 minutes?
Having gone through yung cancer, syempre ang main fear ko, yung mawawala ako. Hindi mo makikita yung ma-achieve niya yung dreams niya. Yun, sobrang natatakot lang ako.
Ang hirap. Actually, hindi ko masasabing ideal mom ako.
I would want to believe I am. Pero sabi ko nga at the end of the day, hindi mo naman pwedeng buhatin yung bangko mo eh.
Not so much.
I would hope so.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
I love mommy because she take care of me. I think mommy is beautiful. She's like a model. I like it when mommy hugs me. I do my homework alone because I can do it by myself. One time when I was running, I hurt my leg. I did tell her I don't like her to work. Taksikat at artista na ako, di na magtatapraho si Mommy. I love Mommy because she takes care of me a lot and she cares for me. I love her and she loves me back. I love Mommy 1,000 times, even if she works a lot. I think my mom is the best mom ever. Thank you, Mom, for everything. I'm sorry if I be naughty sometimes. I promise to be a good boy. I will take care of Mommy, even when she's old na. I want to give her a gift because I love her. Hindi ka ba ako liputan si Bobby? I love you, Mama. Mommy, I love you. I thank you for loving me so much. I'll never forget you. I got to the finish line with the help of my mom. My mom is a hero because she's strong. You're the best. Mommy! I love you.
I love you, anak.
I know now he understands me. Somehow, we're doing something right.
Hindi ko ina-expect na naiintindihan pala niya ako. At saka yung lahat ng bagay na ginagawa ko para sa kanya. Na-appreciate pala niya yun.
It's very relieving to know na to his eyes, I'm enough.
Ang na-inspire ako na mas maging matatag at talagang ibigay lahat-lahat ng best ko para sa kanila, para sa future nila.
Nireassure niya ako na kahit na may mga shortcomings ako as a mom, she still looks at me like I'm the perfect mom for her.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom.
Thank you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Love you. Love you, Mommy. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy.
We know it's not always easy to give the best to your children, but know that your best will always be enough for them.
Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at sa pagbibigay ng kalidad na alaga.
Happy Mother's Day from Fernsey Kids. Kalidad na alaga.
Trusted quality healthcare. Unilab yan.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Fernsey Kids ay hindi gamot, hindi dapat gamitin pang gamot sa sakit.